Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of Shia Online Quran Academy, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, wa mean and allama. He taught Adam. Wa allama Adama, and he taught Adam al asma'a, the names. Al asma'a, the names. Kullaha, all of them. Thumma, then, aradahum, he set them, alal malaikati, before the angels. Faqala, mean then, qala mean said, faqala then said, ambiuni mean tell me, bi asma'i, the names. Haulai mean of these, in if kuntum, you are sadiqeen, truthful. In kuntum sadiqeen, if you are truthful. Qalu, they said. Qalu mean they said, subhanaka, glory is to you. Qalu subhanaka, they said, glory is to you. La, no, ilma, knowledge. Lana is for us. Illa, except. Illa mean except. Ma, what. Illa ma, except what. Allamtana, you have taught us. Allamta, you have taught na, us. Innaka, verily you. Inna, verily ka, you. Innaka, verily you. Antal alimu, anta, you are. Alimu, al alimu, the all knower. Al hakim, all, and the hakim. Al mean the, hakim mean all wise. Qala, he said, ya Adamu, O Adam. Ambi, inform whom, them. Ambi, whom, inform them. Bi asma'i, of their names. Falamma, and when. Fa mean and, lamma mean when. Falamma, and when. Amba'a, he informed whom, them. Amba'ahum, he informed them. Bi asma'i, of their names. Qala, he said. Alam aqul, alam I tell, did not. Aqul, I tell. Lakum, to you. Inni, that I. A'lamu, I know. Inna mean that. Ya, I. A'lamu, know. Inni a'lamu, that I know. Ghaib mean unseen. Ghaib as-samawati, unseen of the heavens. Wal ardi, and the earth. Wa a'lamu, and I know. Ma, what. Tubduna, you reveal. Wa ma kuntum, and ma, what. Kuntum, you have been. Taktumun, canceling. Taktumun, counseling, and what you have been counseling. Jazakallah. Dear students, remember it and try to write down and send us before coming class tomorrow. Inshallah, we will check your homework. Mu'minin and Mu'minat, we are providing online Quran classes. If someone wants to take online Quran classes, they can contact us. Jazakallah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala Muhammadin wa ajil farajahum.